Hey everybody, so this is the Greenworks pressure washer, 2000 GPM. I just assembled it and I will show you the time lapse of the assembly right after this part of the video. It's fairly easy to assemble. There's not all that many moving pieces. So you basically have this piece right here you have to install. And it's actually super simple. There's just see here, there's just a couple Phillips head screws, so you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. And this comes separate. You can just plug it in here. These are the different tips you have. They just pop out and they just clip into the pressure hose. So the other pieces I have to install with this piece. So this is just a screw in as well. It's actually screwed in from this side. As you can see, there's a little screw in there. So you just assemble two pieces together and screw it into the bar. The other piece I had to assemble was this piece here. So again, just two Phillips head screws. This is just the holder for the gun. And then obviously the hose needs to be attached to this and attached to this part here. And this bracket is also installed. You just clip it in the top. You push it around these catches so it stays stable. It'll hold your hose. And the wheels. Yep, the wheels were the last thing I had to install, or the other thing. So the wheels are just, they have a grommet in between. So you feed the bolt in from this side, put the grommet on, and then the washer, and then the cotter pin. You just push the cotter pin through until it clicks into the middle section. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, I will show you the time lapse of me installing this if you want to see that next. And then afterwards, we'll do a quick test on it. As you can see, this walkway needs a lot of care, so we'll see what kind of job it does on the walkway. So stay tuned for more. There's one more thing I wanted to show you. They actually give you this little pin here, and this is to clean out the nozzle. So I guess if the nozzles get dirty, you can use this pin to unblock it. So I'm not sure how much I'll use this, but it's nice to have this if your nozzle gets blocked.